Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Ismira, Magister Education. I am lecturer at STKIP Askia Padang. I will present you about my article entitled Similarity Life Concept between Life Course Theory and Merantau Minangkabau Ethnic. The Minangkabau ethnic are indigenous people are inhabit the West Sumatra region of the state of Indonesia. There are several names for Minangkabau ethnicity such as orang Minang, orang Padang, and orang Awak. To get to know more closely about the Minangkabau ethnicity, it can be known through these two international awards for ethnicity. First, the Budget Travel magazine, with the world's most picturesque village category, designated Pariangan village as one of most beautiful villages among the 16 most beautiful villages in the world. Pariangan village is the oldest village with its the origin of Minangkabau ethnicity. Second, rendang is a traditional Minangkabau food which has been awarded 4 times as the most delicious food in the world by CNN Travel. The Minangkabau ethnic is also well known for its culture of merantau or migration, which is capable of producing successful migrant and famous figures such as Muhammad Hatta, Buya Hamka, Agus Salim, Karni Ilyas, and others. Merantau is a culture of moving from the homeland to another city, but within one province and outside the province, with the aim of changing living condition from hardship to successful in the aspect of economy, knowledge, experience, social relationship, and skills. Merantau means migration, but merantau is a special type of migration with its own cultural connotation that are not easy to translate. The activity of merantau Minangkabau ethnic is more individualistic or not collective like the concept of migration in general. Therefore, the term merantau in this paper is not translated into the word migration, but instead continues to use the word merantau. Merantau Minangkabau ethnicity is a product of human ration and has similarities with other intellectual products such as the theory of life. One of the interesting theories about the human life process is the life course theory. The life course theory states that there are 5 principles of human life from birth to old age. First, human experience, development, and change. Second, in order to develop and change, humans must take action on the opportunities and obstacles. Third, in taking opportunities, humans will take advantage of social strength and cultural values. Fourth, effort to take opportunities must end with independence. 5. Independence or successful is meaningless without togetherness in the social historical sphere. The concept of life in the life course theory is very much in line with the principle of stake of merantau Minangkabau ethnic. recommended by the culture. First, the develop and change the Minangkabau ethnic culture encourage Minangkabau youth to go merantau. This suggestion is contained in the culture advice. Krakatau grows in the upstream, has not yet produced fruit and flowers. Merantau young people first, at home has not been usable. The Minangkabau culture believes that going merantau is a path to development and change. Second, effort to development and change must be accompanied by the courage to take the decision to go merantau. Have adventure in facing opportunities and obstacles, then learn from failures and success. Learning from failure and success is contained in the culture advice which reads, expanded nature make teachers. Third, when merantau, Minangkabau youth were taught to be good at building social relationship with siblings of one ethnicity or with siblings of different ethnicities. The ability to build social network is advised in the cultural wisdom of the Minangkabau ethnicity. If a child goes merantau looking for a mother, looking for sibling, business owners looking for first. The business owner is a boss where young migrant will be work and learn how to do business. Fourth, studying, working, and having friends and brother must end up being independent. In Minangkabau culture, independence means achieving success. Minangkabau people who have success in achieving success are likened to people who have success in lifting a tree submerged in water. Rising for adversity, poverty, to have a permanent business, have work, and are respected by others, especially people from their hometown. 5. Being a successful person will not be meaningful if a successful migrant has not benefit relative in his hometown. This benefit for relative and hometown is advised in a culture which reads, having water for the field above, it will be wet the field below, which means that the success of migrants can also be enjoyed by their families and hometown. This explanation explains the similarity in the concept of life between culture and theory. This is because culture and theory is rooted in the will and human reason on mind. This result proves that the culture approach is very effective for use in the educational process, as so far various theories have been used as the basic for education. This study used a qualitative method with a realist ethnographic approach with literature studies and interview with cultural and successful figures of the Minangkabau ethnicity. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.